Craving something decadent? Today we are making silky, smooth chocolate mousse from scratch. Let's dive in. Start by adding 200 ml of heavy cream into a mixing bowl. Whip the heavy cream to soft peaks. Once done, chill it in the fridge. Begin by filling a pot with water and heating it gently until it reaches a simmer. Melt 95 grams of dark chocolate over simmering water, stirring until smooth. In the meantime, prepare a bowl of cold water. Soak 2.5 gelatin sheets in cold water, following the instructions on the package. Gently squeeze the gelatin sheets to remove any excess water and set it aside. Combine the eggs, egg yolk, and sugar in a bowl over simmering water. Whisk constantly until the mixture reaches 55 degrees. Remove the bowl from the pot, then whisk the egg and sugar mixture on high speed until it becomes light and foamy. Add the softened gelatin to the mixture and continue whipping until it cools to 24 degrees. Now add the melted chocolate to the mixture and whisk vigorously until fully combined. Once the chocolate is fully combined, gently fold in the whipped cream from earlier until smooth and well incorporated. Once ready, carefully pipe or spread the mousse into your prepared pastry or containers without delay. Cover and refrigerate the mousse until it's fully set and firm to touch. Pipe a dollop of whipped cream on top and garnish with sliced strawberries or fresh raspberries for a beautiful finish. Enjoy!